Test your 5.1 channel home cinema.
Sound. Every note, every whisper, every heartbeat has a place. Now, step into the dimension of true surround. This is real 5.1 surround test video. From the left, clarity awakens, a wave of detail unfolding before you. Every sound finds its space. From the right, energy responds. The rhythm grows, spreading the world of sound wider than your vision. At the heart of it all, the center speaks, where emotion meets precision. Voices rise, music breathes, and the story begins. Now turn your senses. Behind you, the sound comes alive. Whispers, motion, echoes of space, a dance around your mind. The circle completes, the room disappears. You're no longer listening, you're inside the sound, and deep below, the pulse awakens. A force you don't just hear, you feel. This is the heartbeat of the mix. All channels united. Left, right, center, surround, and the soul beneath. Feel the harmony, the motion, the immersion. This is not just sound. This is real 5.1 surround sound test, reborn. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other test videos and listen Dolby Atmos compatible musics.